Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, if you are looking to buy the Ab Circle Pro or already have it, you need to know how to use the equipment for the best possible results. Many times people buy fitness machines and don't do half the exercises they should do with them. Then a lot of people decide, well, the equipment is useless and it doesn't work. The following article will give you some pointers so that you get the best out of the Ab Circle Pro. The side-to-side movement as shown in the instruction video gives a very light cardiovascular workout. You are not going to burn 500-1000 calories by just using the machine. The equipment is primarily for abdominal resistance workout. This means the abs are going to look more defined when you strip off excess body fat. The Ab Circle Pro is an excellent way to work the obliques. The side-to-side motion allows the obliques to get a constant workout. It's important to keep your head straight with your back relaxed at all times for the right posture and work the target area. Going back to the previous point, the correct body posture and positioning allows your thighs and buns to get a workout also. Again, you are getting a resistance workout that will show more tone in weeks to come. In my opinion, if you weigh more than 220 pounds, it's worth shifting some body fat first. Women will find the Ab Circle Pro very useful for toning and getting a good overall workout. Any of the best ways to get a good abdominal workout is to keep doing as many repetitions as possible. You will notice your abdominal muscles burning up. This is a good way of getting the muscle toning you want. The Ab Circle Pro are one of the machines you need to pace yourself with. There's no point getting gung-ho and doing workouts as fast as you can. If you can spare some time, you can really put your core muscles through their paces. Have you ever worked out on an empty stomach the first thing in the morning? Does your stomach feel like it's churning? It's the fat that is burning and being used up for energy. Use the machine first thing in the morning or go for a run. Your stomach fat will begin to shred quicker than you would imagine. The key to getting the most out of the Ab Circle Pro is consistent use, eating a nutritious, healthy, balanced diet, and getting regular exercise. The equipment has further improved with comfortable knee padding, allowing your knees to feel comfortable throughout.